Imagine a platform where engineers, agronomists, and farmers unite to make every field decision smarter, faster, and more precise. That's Harvest, a collaborative ecosystem that turns raw data into actionable insights for today's farmers. Data collection, it all starts in the field. A drone soars above, capturing high-resolution images with pinpoint accuracy, ensuring no corner of the plot is missed. Data movement, those images flow seamlessly from the drone to a nearby edge device, then up to our powerful cloud and high-performance computing environment, ready for heavy lifting. Data pre-processing, raw images are transformed into analysis-ready data. Each frame is geotagged, aligned, and sliced into uniform tiles for consistent, high-accuracy results. Model training, we curate the data, define classes, and fine-tune hyperparameters. Labeled tiles feed into our HPC system to train robust models, with every step versioned and metrics logged for full traceability. Inference, new field imagery is processed identically to training data. The approved model springs into action, detecting weeds across every tile with precision. Visualization, those detections become actionable. Heat maps highlight weed density, per sample views enable quality checks, and shapefiles define exact spray zones, all delivered through an intuitive dashboard for competent, data-driven decisions. Harvest streamlines the entire workflow, from aerial survey to precision spraying. The process starts by initiating OpenPass, our automated drone control service. Setup is simple, just provide 2 opposite field corners and select a flight height. From the Harvest website, click Get Started. You'll see the options available on Job Composer. Choose Data Collection and create a new job, select the compute system, enter the destination path for your files and hit Submit. You'll then be redirected to OpenPass, where you can launch a digital agriculture metadata mission. From there, OpenPass handles everything, generating a precise lawnmower flight path that divides the field into evenly spaced image patches with the ideal overlap for high-quality analysis. Once launched, the drone executes the flight plan, capturing stunning, high-quality images across the field. The drone will automatically take off and survey without any manual control. It follows the predefined path, maintaining altitude and angle for consistent image capture. This automation reduces human effort while guaranteeing reliable data collection. The moment the survey is complete, those images are whisked away to Harvest's supercomputing environment. Now, let's turn data into results. In the Harvest platform, we select the model and shapefile generation to create a new job. First, we define the weeds to be detected, say, broadleaf and grass, start by entering the labels and their corresponding search terms, and an appropriate detection threshold. Multiple labels and search terms can be added based on the detection preferences using Add Class. With a click, the job is scheduled on our high-performance computing system. Our model scans the imagery, identifying and categorizing weeds across the field, producing a detailed inference result. Next, we move to shapefile generation. Here, we set the grid size for polygons, determining the precision of our spray zones. Submit the job, and Harvest generates tailored shapefiles for each weed type, and the system organizes them into clear zones for easy selection. In this example, we are having 2 weeds, broadleaf and grass, available for selection in a drop-down menu. Simply choose the weed type you want, hit download, and you've got shapefiles ready to guide your spraying. Let's break it down. A shapefile is a geographic information system standard that maps out shapes, like field boundaries or weed zones, and pairs them with critical data. In Harvest, shapefiles pinpoint weed locations precisely, empowering farmers to target problem areas directly and efficiently. With shapefiles in hand, it's time to take action. Download the files and configure them onto your on-field spraying equipment, whether ground-based or aerial. The system guides your sprayer to the exact locations of those pesky weeds, delivering spot spraying with unmatched efficiency. As shown on the map, the drone follows the routes marked in blue. The solid blue lines indicate the segments where spraying is required. The dotted blue lines show the transit legs between spray zones, during which the drone does not spray. The solid green line marks the areas already treated. Together, these markings depict the planned spray path, the non-spray transfers, and the completed coverage. No waste, no guesswork, just results. Thank you.